Hello, my dear students of grade 1. It's our second lecture of our English language, and our today's topic is verb. Alright, what is a verb? Verb is a word that shows action. Now, what does it mean? It means that whenever you do something, whatever you do, that is called a verb. Your actions. As right now I'm talking to you people, so this talking is called verb. As right now you're watching me, watching this video, so the watching is called verb. As right now you're listening to me, whatever I'm saying, so this listening is also called a verb. Why is it called a verb? Why all these things are called verbs? Because these are your actions. Whatever you do, that is called a verb. That is an action. Whatever you do, that is called action, and the action calls verb. Okay, so here we have some examples. These are the things to which we call verbs. Okay, the first one is running. When someone runs, when you play, so you run, right? So that running is called, so that is your action at that time. So that is called verb. Okay, when you eat something, so that is also an action, so it is called verb. When you sleep, so that is also that you are doing something, right? So that is also called a verb. Drinking, singing, walking, watching, listening, talking, and writing, all these things are called actions, and the action calls verb. Verb is basically an action. Whatever you do, that is called a verb. Okay, so I think now you will be clear with the explanation, and now I have some worksheets for you, so let's talk about that. Alright, so this is our first worksheet of verb. Okay, so what the verb is saying in this worksheet, that see the pictures and write the action words of each character. Okay, there is a box, okay, and here are some words, and these words are, what are you going to do? That you will place the suitable word in front of every picture. Okay, so these are the words. One is sweeping. Sweeping means cleaning. Sleeping. Sleeping means when you sleep at night. Okay, and the third one is reading, and the fourth one is playing, and then is eating. Okay, so you will see all these pictures. Okay, all these kids are doing something. These all are they all are doing something, so you will place the correct doing word in front of each picture, so that you will be clear about the actions, that what we call to what action. Alright, now let's come to the second worksheet. Okay, so this is your second worksheet, and in this it's about that using verbs. Okay, so the first question is okay, here is the definition of verb, a little bit like the meaning of verb. Okay, what the verb is saying here, verbs are doing words, as I told you before. And okay, the first question is that circle the verbs. Okay, you will read all these words, and you will encircle those words which you think that they are the action words. They are the verbs. Okay, not like something else, only the verbs. You will only circle the verbs, you will left the rest of them. All right, and now the second question is that complete the sentences using the verbs from above. Okay, and these are the sentences then, and what are you going to do? You can pick a word for each sentence from the words above. Okay, from these words you can use the suitable word for these sentences to complete these sentences. So first of all, you will read the sentence, and then you will place the correct word in each sentence. So these are the two things the two worksheets for your work.
Alright, so now I have some worksheets for you in your integrated books. First of all, as you can see, you will write your name and date at the top of the worksheet. And now let's come to the worksheet. The worksheet is about verbs. As you can see, first of all, there is a definition of verb. You will read that, and then there's an example of it. I think I have explained it well to you over there. So here you will just read it. Okay, now let's come to the directions. The directions are that draw a line between the verbs and the pictures that show the action. What are you going to do? Here are some pictures at one side, and on another side here are some words. What are you going to do? You will match the correct picture with the correct verb, with the correct action. Okay, this is what you are going to do. Alright, now this is your second worksheet. Again, you will write the name and date at the top of the worksheet. The worksheet is about the verbs. Okay, now let's come to the directions. Okay, what are they saying? That look at the picture and read the words, write an action word in each sentence below. Okay, you will see the picture, this picture. Here are some words which are written on some pictures or on some actions. Okay, you will read these words, and then here are some sentences. Then you will read these sentences and you will place the correct word in the correct or in the suitable sentence. That's what you are going to do. Alright, so let me tell you that please do these things on time. Do the work on time. You can buy your integrated book from the school. Do not forget that we will do assessment on these worksheets and all these things. So please do these things on time and properly. Thank you so much.